Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to walk you through installing the official OnePlus Launcher on your non-OnePlus device running Android 14. If you love the clean look, smooth animations, and features of OxygenOS, but are on a different custom ROM, this Magisk Module is exactly what you need. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly go over the requirements to make sure your device is ready. First, and this is important, you must not be on a stock OnePlus ROM like OxygenOS. This module is designed for AOSP-based or other custom ROMs. Second, your device needs to be running Android 14 or a newer version. Next, you'll need to have root access, which means you must have either Magisk or kernel SU installed and working on your phone. All right, now that we've got the requirements out of the way, let's get to the installation guide. Don't worry, all the necessary download links are waiting for you in the video description. Step 1. The absolute first thing you need to do is install the OnePlus Core Magisk Module, version 0.2 or above. Again, the launcher will fail to work if you skip this step. Step 2. Now, for those of you who want to activate the Recents provider for a more integrated experience, there are some optional instructions you need to read before installing the main launcher module. I've pointed to those in the description, so be sure to check them out if that's something you want. Step 3. Once the core module is installed, go ahead and download the OnePlus Launcher module itself. Step 4. Now open your Magisk or kernel SU app and install the module you just downloaded. If you're using Magisk, you can also flash the zip file from a custom recovery if you prefer. Now, for our kernel SU users, there is one extra, very important step. Open the kernel SU app, go to the settings, and you have to disable the option that says Unmount Modules by default. If you miss this, it won't work. Step 5. After the module has been successfully installed and you've made sure it's enabled, the final step is to simply reboot your phone. And that's it. When your phone boots back up, you should be greeted with the beautiful and fluid OnePlus Launcher. You may need to go into your phone settings, then apps, and then default apps to manually set the OnePlus Launcher as your default home app. So, there you have it. A simple way to get a premium launcher experience on your custom Android 14 device. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Android customization guides. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.